Alright, here we have the wheel sling. I'll go over what's included, show a couple setups, and what is included is the base plate, the main upright, and a stiffener. It sticks out a ways and it just needs a little bit. We have the handle, and then we have the idler assembly. These half-inch parts here are the same as the GIB 2.0, so they still require the drilling. Depending on how much spacing you need here, you may only need one of these two instead of both of these spacers. And then we have the arm that is supported on both sides and mounted to the main upright. At the top and the bottom of the shock, there are two plates to mount the gas shock. This one requires a longer one than what is standard in either the GIB 2.0 or the wheel or the combo sling, or I'm sorry, the flat or the combo sling. And I will get those part numbers up on the website. Right now this is mocked up in a setup using the small wheel grinder that I got from USA Knife Maker. There will be regular mounting holes in the side, so you can just mount these straight through. You don't have to worry about drilling any additional holes. In addition to whatever you put here for a wheel, you need to get the motor, the shock, decent number of 1/4 inch bolts. I know this isn't an idler wheel, I ran out. You'll need to get the wheel for here, as well as the bolt and the drive wheel. And you'll have to build a stand of some kind. Here we have it set up for an 8-inch wheel. Everything else is the same. All I did is I swapped the small wheel attachment out for this 8-inch. The 8-inch is not the maximum that this will take. You can put bigger. The one thing that will need to change is the gas shock will have to be shorter. The 8-inch is pretty much the maximum you can get with this particular gas shock. If you use the gas shock from the GIB 2.0, then 10 to 12 inches would not be unreasonable. And then to show the other end of the spectrum, here's the same setup. All I did is I swapped out the 8-inch wheel for a 2-inch wheel. And so between 2, 4, 6, 8, swap out the shock, you can go 10 to 12, even 14, or you can do a small wheel on it. There's a lot of different possibilities that you could leave set up with this.